Hi guys, I'm Jane Hughes, celebrity and editorial makeup artist, and I'm really excited to talk to you about bareMinerals Complexion Rescue Defense Radiant Protective Veil. In my line of work, I'm on my phone and my computer all of the time. I never knew that there's a thing called blue light that comes from all of these devices that can potentially be harmful to the skin. Think of it this way, just like we need protection from the sun, we also need protection from blue light. The key ingredient is cacao extract, and it helps protect against the damaging effect of blue light. It contains sugar molecules that helps protect your skin against air pollution, which I love because I live in New York City, and it also has camellia flower extract, which helps support your skin's natural collagen. Also super important, a SPF 30 of a non-chemical mineral sunscreen. I'm going to take just under a pump between the fingertips, sweep it across the cheeks. It's really radiant on the skin. You can wear it a few ways. You can wear it under makeup, you can wear it over liquid makeup, you can wear it by itself. Protecting your skin is key, and now you're covered indoor and outdoor. Bye.